Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully load our Frontend theme and you can see everything is work perfectly, but there is images missing, so don't worry about it because that is all that our static data. Literally every part I will make it as a dynamic. Okay. Right now it's totally fine. Now friend, in this video I want to update our default when I install that Laravel Breeze. Laravel Breeze also provided some of the default logging page, register page, right? So now I want to change it. Like if you click it in here, it will be returned direct to our logging page. Better I copy it. And now if you go and if you write down as a /logging, when you install that Laravel Breeze, Breeze actually provided this type of one of the structure for the logging page and also for the register page, which I have already discussed about that things with you. So now friend, I want to customize it as per our theme. Like that is our logging page. If you want to customize it, we have to go to our project right now. Better I want to close it. I want to close it. Now step by step everything I will make it as a dynamic. And also this home controller, we don't need this. I close it. Okay, great. Now that is our header. Into the header area, that is one of the default route as a logging, and that is a register, right? Now I want to simply call default all that route when you run as a PHP artisan route list. I have already discussed about that things with you. When you install it, automatically you will get some of the route. That is a default route as a logging and register, right? Now I want to call it, that will be as a route, and route I want to call it as a logging. So now that will be returned direct to a logging page. And also if you make it as a register, that is our default another route as a register. Now if you click as a save all, now that should be updated. If you now go refresh it, if you go to that our logging, now you can see it's now successfully returned direct to our logging page. So now I want to update. So that is the one of the default is loaded. That means default template is loaded in our view into the auth, and you can see that is our logging page. So now that is our default logging page. I want to change it here. Only we need that our type, we need that ID, and also we need that our name. Our rest of this I will actually copy everything from here. Better I want to select it and I copy it, and I want to open these things in here. Okay, so that will be also needed. From here we will get all that our references, and now that is our logging blade. And into the logging blade, our Frontend, I have already created our structure. If you now go to our resources, if you go to that Frontend, into the Frontend, if you go to our index, first of all I want to extended our home dashboard. When you extended that our home dashboard, we'll get all that our CSS, JSS, header, and breaking news and footer, right? Now better I copy it, and now in our logging page, that will be in our auth, and that is our auth logging. And to the auth logging, I remove everything. Okay, I remove everything from to this area, and now I paste it. And now also you have to end it. I make it as an and section. That will be the and section. Great. And if you now go to our index file, if you go to that our index, I have already get everything from our which position. That will be from to the container, right? Now I want to update it. If you go to our template, into the template I have already designed on the logging page. You can see that is a logging.html. If you now open it, now that is very simple. One of the design I have created. You can see our header will be the same. There is a breaking news, and there is a footer. Only that is one of the part now I want to load. Right, so now simply do this work. For doing this, I want to open our logging.html. If you go, I want to open it with the sublink text editor. Here we don't need anything. I want to minimize it. That is our header. Header will be not needed. And after that, that is our everything. The breaking news also we don't need it. And then that is our content. You can see that is our div, our content page, and content page I have already take it in our dashboard, and from to the container I want to take it. So if you now select this div, and div is ended from here. Now I want to simply copy it. Okay, I simply copy everything from here. For that is a container, I copy it, and now in our logging page here I want to paste it, right? Now if you go, you can see there is a container, and in our index I take it everything from to the container. Great. Now that should be loaded. Okay, now that should be loaded. If you now click as a save all, okay, sorry, here there is one of the file is opening, because as I told you I will get that form data from to this area. So better I want to open it with here. Okay, now that will be better. I want to open it. Now I want to click as a save all. and now if you go, and now if you refresh it, now our everything should be loaded. Yes, you can see it's now successfully get our header, our menu, our breaking news, and our footer. As I told you, everything right now we will be able to get it from the home dashboard. Now friend, I want to update it. So right now that is our total form. Okay, here they have on the form, you can see that is on the also form. Form is started, and if you select this form is ended after the submit button, and that is our form is ended. Great. So right now I want to copy everything from our default one. Like first of all, that is our form. Okay, form area I want to do and to change it. If you open it right now, I want to get the references from here. That is our form action. I copy it, and now here I want to do and to update this form. Okay, so that is a form I want to do and to update. I simply paste it. That is a form is started, form is ended. Okay, great. First of all, I want to check it, everything is working perfectly or not. If you now refresh it, because there should be some of the class, right? Here you can see it's successfully updated, but there is some of the things, and now we have to close like from here. That is our div, and you can see that is on the true div. I want to remove this div. Okay, I simply remove it. Now that should be gone. Click on the save all, and now refresh it. You can see it's now gone. Great. So right now that is our two field as email and password. Everything will be same. Like first of all, that is our email, and into the email area, that is our input field. Into the input, if you go to our default one, into the default one, we need our ID, we need that our type, and also we need that name. So that is the three things will be needed. Okay. Now I want to do and to take it. So that is our type will be as a email. I make it as an email. Our name, I name it as email. And also a value, we don't need any value, and here only I want to add another one as an ID will be as an email. Great. Okay, great. And also there is another input field for the password, and for the password our default one will be also the same. Our ID will be needed, our type will be password, and our name will be password. That's all. Okay, now I want to take it, and that will be our ID will be as a password, our type will be password, and name will be as a password. Okay friend, that's all you have to do. Our type as a submit type for the logging now, and it will be hit our default one of the route as a logging, and there is a CSRF token post. That's all. Okay, now that should be work perfectly. If you now click as a save all, I click as a save all, and now if you go, I want to refresh it. I have already created some of the user. If you now go to our user table, in our user table you can see there is a user@gmail.com. So now I want to do the login with this user. Now here I copy it, and now if you go, I want to do and to paste it. That is our user email address as a user@gmail.com, and password I want to be use it as a 111. Now if you click as the login, now that should be work. Yeah, you can see right now you are able to successfully redirect it to our user dashboard area, right? I hope friend it's very much clear to you. Here it's successfully redirected to our dashboard, and now from here if you click as a logout, it's redirect to our home page. Now I want to change our default one. So if you want to change the default one, because I want to do when that will be successfully log out, it will be redirect to our logging page, not our home page. So right now here we successfully done this job. We don't need this. I want to do and to close it. Okay, simply close it, and now that is our logging page. And here if you now go to our auth, that means in our HTTP controller auth, into the auth area, that is our authenticated session controller. Into the authenticated session controller, you can see that is our destroy, right? So here I want to do it will be redirect to our /logging page, not our home page. Okay friend, I hope it's very much clear to you. So now if you click as a save all, and now if you go, I want to refresh it again, and now I want to check our logging page. Like here I want to do, that will be our logging. If you go to that our logging page is loaded. I want to log in with our user and 111. Now click as a login, successfully redirect to our dashboard page, and from here if you click as a logout, yeah, you can see it's now successfully redirect to our logging page. So how to do this work very easily? I hope friend it's very much clear to you. And also in our next video I want to update our another page as a register page. So that is our register page. Here that is should be some of the field. Now we have to update. So that is our default one. I want to do and to simply change it. I want to load our theme layout in here. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.